Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
Charleston.
Maddie.
Peter. So the first week, we just worked on the basic. Here's the step underneath the step of the basic. So just you can see it like this. I go back to my left, she goes back to the right. Touch, step, back, forward, back. This is underneath everything. And if you lose your arms or something, you can always come back to this to get the feeling. Now you got touch, step. Then we turn into the basic that we actually do. Why don't we split a little bit so we can see a little better. We're going to do rock step, kick step, double kick, watch. Rock step, kick step, double kick step, rock step, kick step, double kick step. It's the same as this. Rock step, kick step, double kick. If you got it in you can bounce the whole time. Leave the floor if you're feeling really athletic, or you can do way more chill with your knees if you need to be. Then, we went here and we connected up side by side, same step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Rock step, kick step, double kick. Rock step, kick step, double kick. We worked on one more step called the skip up, and we'll show you this way so you can kind of see it. We have to hold hands in front, and we go basic, and then a rock step, single kick, swing, rock step, starting up the basic right there. A slow motion version. Rock step, in, out, big swing, rock step, kick, double kick, and we're right back to basics. See y'all next time.